Welcome to Marie Samuel's virtual tours. I just wanted to do a little addendum to the video that I had while Venice cleaning up because the city has gone through zone 4, and I just wanted to kind of finish up and let people see with the cleanup. You know, there are some still tents that are on the beach, but it's cleaned up a lot. But I just wanted to give a honest look about what's going on here. So again, if you haven't liked or subscribed, please do. And if you have, thank you for coming again. But again, this is Marie Samuel's virtual tours, Venice Beach Cleanup Part 2. Now, this is not a walk from all the way down from the beach. The most heaviest places where the beach was still in the cleanup process. So as you can see at this point here, we'll just walk down to the end to where we get to Santa Monica. So this will be a very short video. I'll do a quick little pan around here. Now this street here is actually what they considered Zone 4. So this was all homeless encampments just a few days ago, when I last filmed. How you doing, brother? How you doing? And we're just walking up to where they store all the homeless property. And again, this area right here was heavily put with tents, and as you can see, I mean, it's cleaned up quite a bit. You couldn't even see that wall before, so it's very, this is a very different place now. I'm not using my wide angle lens this time, but this is a 14 millimeter. My last video was shot with 7.5 millimeters, so. But I hope you can see. We'll make sure that everything is in focus here. But as you can see right here, with these storage cars or like a truck, and this was all homeless encampments right here. So you can see it's been cleared out. And basically right to the end here is where Santa Monica begins. So they've got most of the people off the boardwalk at least. Now, I do sympathize with homeless people, and I know, but again, I guess we got to start somewhere, because this had been neglected for so long, and with the pandemic as well, it's exacerbated the whole problem. But as you can see here, this was all homeless encampments. And there was a guy named OG, I guess his name was, and a woman. They had a whole bunch of stuff set up right here on the end, and they were like the last holdout. So that stuff is no longer here. But basically, the boardwalk, they're trying to give it back to the people. I think everybody should be able to have a safe, clean place to visit. You know, Venice has got a lot of bad press in the last, I don't know, for the last couple of years. So this is I guess I have to see if it holds, but I think this is a great improvement. I'm just taking a little break from my day. I'm going to take a walk to Santa Monica and back. I'm not going to film that because I've already done that, but I just wanted to just to follow up on Zone 4 cleanup and for my last video. If you can go back and take a look, and you can see just a few days ago how much has changed. But again, I'm not going to go on about this too much longer, but again, this is Venice Beach, the end of Venice Beach, Marie Samuel's virtual tours, and I would appreciate a like and subscribe, comments, likes, dislikes. What would you like to see? You know, I like to travel and take photos. That's my passion. But if visually it looks well on your end, so that's what I do. So I try to shoot and upload everything in 4K. But again, thank you so much for your patronage, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.